How many words should you write per page?
Yeah, I really hate this question. I really do.
Yeah.
I was given a talk. I was on a panel with SEMrush and we were having this discussion. I really hate word limits. I know that a lot of tech SEOs say that if you hit a certain amount of words, you've got a higher chance of ranking. But if those words are crap, then you're not going to rank. So the only sort of times I stray from that is, for example, if I'm targeting people also ask boxes, because there is a sort of a sweet spot in terms of word count. And also if it's a standard blog post, for example, rather than a guide or a white paper, and it's getting really, really long and it feels like you're doing a disservice to your piece. I know that's a little bit hippie, but it's sort of, I go a lot on my gut instinct. And if it feels like it's getting a bit too long, people are going to get a little bit bored, you're jutting around loads of different topics, then maybe that's worth breaking it down into smaller posts that cover different aspects of it. But I don't have a minimum or a maximum, really. I don't think it matters, as long as the content's good.